This tutorial guides you through creating a scatterplot chart using the DataPicta application. You will learn how to load sample data, change the values for the horizontal and vertical axes, and how to add a third color axis. Every chart creation begins with a good data set. To add data, click on Add Data here. For this tutorial, we will use one of the many sample datasets DataPicta offers. Click on Use Sample Data. Click Search Names to begin filtering the dataset by name. We will be using the Penguins dataset. Click Penguins to load the Penguins dataset. Click Add Data to include the selected dataset in your visualization. This dataset features penguins and includes 4 measurements across 3 species. To create scatter plots, you require a minimum of 2 measurements, meaning 2 columns of numerical data. Every visualization needs a picta, such as bar, line, or scatter. Click here to add a picta. Choose the scatter picta. When a picta is selected, it automatically assigns data fields to the axes. For the scatter picta, it chooses the first 2 numerical fields. But we will map the axes to 2 different numerical fields. To do this, click Encode. Disable the culmen length field and enable the body mass field for the horizontal axis. Disable the culmen depth field and enable the flipper length field for the vertical axis. Please confirm that you have selected body mass and flipper length. While it is possible to assign multiple fields to a single axis, doing so often reduces the readability of the visualization. The visualization has changed due to the newly assigned fields on the axis. We will now implement further enhancements to make the visualization more appealing, starting with improvements to the axes. Open the horizontal panel to adjust the horizontal axis. In the name field, type body mass to add a name for this axis. Click Center in the Name Location field to position the name at the center of the chart. By default, an axis begins at 0. To minimize white space in the chart, we adjust the starting point. For minimum value, enter 2000. Please confirm that you have adjusted the horizontal axis as follows. The changes are applied immediately. We will implement similar adjustments to the vertical axis. Please close the horizontal panel and open the vertical panel. Change the name of the vertical axis to flipper length and center its location. Type 160 for the minimum value. The scatter plot looks significantly better now. We can enhance this chart further by coloring the dots based on the penguin species they represent. Click here to add a canvas element to this chart. A visual axis is an axis represented by color or size. You can rename the ID of the visual axis. While this does not affect the chart itself, it updates the panel name to something more understandable. We renamed it to Species Color. We will utilize the Species field for coloring. The dataset includes 3 distinct species of penguins. Since species has 3 distinct values and no intermediate measurements, we will use 3 separate colors. Therefore, click Segmented as the mapping type. You can manually define up to 3 colors or choose from one of the predefined color palettes. We prefer the simpler option and click Show Predefined Palettes. We have selected the bold primary palette, however, you are welcome to choose your own. We only need 3 colors, so feel free to remove any colors you don't like. The selected colors are applied to the chart and a legend for these colors is included. However, the placement of the legend could be improved. Now scroll down a bit and click Center to center the legend horizontally within the visualization. For orientation, select Horizontal to position the colors side by side rather than stacked on top of each other. You have created a vibrant scatter plot that illustrates the relationship between body mass and flipper length for 3 distinct species of penguins. You can now save, publish, and share your chart with your audience.